Hello everyone. In this video I will give some basic introduction about probability. So what is probability? It is a chance of happening or occurring of an event. For example, if you toss a coin, you can either get a head or a tail. So that depends upon your luck. So another example is when you roll a die, you can either get 1, 2, 3 or anything up to 6. So the chance of getting 5 when a die is rolled, so that is probability. So there is a very simple formula for probability, that is probability of happening of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. We will discuss this formula in the below example. So next thing is the most important term that comes in the probability chapter is sample space. What is sample space? Sample space equals to the set of all possible outcomes. For example, if you throw a die, then there are 6 possible outcomes that can come. You can either get a 2 or 4 or 5 or 6. So a sample space for a single die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the example is the probability of getting a 2 on the roll of a single die is, if you roll a single die, what are the chances that you will get 2? Now 2 is a single value, so number of favorable outcomes, there is only one outcome, so it is 1. And how many total outcomes are there? Total are 6, so 1 by 6. So the probability of getting a 2 or 3 or 4 or any number on the roll of a single die is 1 by 6. Now the next example is a coin is tossed and a single 6-sided die is rolled. Find the probability of getting a head of a coin and getting a 3 on the die. Now what are the chances of getting a head when you toss a single coin? We know that a head is a single value and in a coin the sample space is head or tail. So the chance of getting a head on a single toss of a coin is 1 by 2. And the probability of getting a 3 on a single roll of die is also 1 by 6, because 6 is the total number of outcomes. Now the question is that find the probability of getting a head and getting a 3 on a dice. Wherever you will find the term and means multiplication. So we have calculated the probability of getting a head is 1 by 2 and of getting a 3 on a roll of a single die is 1 by 6. So the probability that both occurs is 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 6. This multiply sign is because of this and. Now the next question is a single 6-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of getting a 2 or a 5? So 2 is a single value, so and the total number of possible outcomes is 6. So its probability of getting 2 is 1 by 6. Similarly, probability of getting a 5 on a single roll of die is also 1 by 6. Now here you can notice that they have written or. Or means addition. So we have to put this plus sign between them. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is 1 by 3. So this is some basic information that you have to notice. You have to notice this and or in the given statement. And means multiplication and this or means addition. So that's it. We will discuss some more questions and some more types of probabilities in their next videos. So thanks for watching.